Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friend. It's me, your host Gems, and you're watching my YouTube channel Gems Booster. So guys, as you know, I always come with with amazing and new projects. So today I am here with a new platform where you can trade your money and you can earn a specific income in a very short period of time. So guys, the project name today we will discuss. Their project name is SMARTPROP Trading. So guys, this is a trading platform and you will find out their link in my video description. So this is their homepage. If you want to visit their homepage, I will also give the link of their project in my video description. You just need to go to my video description and just need to click on the link. Then you will find out this page on your mobile, on your PC screen. So this is a simple trading platform where you can trade very easily, because they are offering a different benefits. So today in this video I will give you a complete review regarding the project, what type of benefit they are offering and how we can generate a maximum income in a very short period of time. So before discussing their information in detail, if you are new on my YouTube channel, just subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Gems Booster. You can also search it on the YouTube and just click on the bell icon to get notification regarding my new videos. So guys, you can also join their project from my referral link. So it will be very amazing for me. And if you can also create your own referral link and you can generate an income from the referral link. So this is a very simple and most friendly form there is that you can use for trading purposes. As you know, trading is a very common and trading is a very amazing things where you can double and triple your crypto in a very short period of time. So first of all, here you can see that you can also check different currency live rates here. So today we will discuss how we can start our journey here. So before discussing that, how we can log in and generate our account in their project, first of all I want to discuss some main points. So in their project, they took many months developing a simple platform that traders can expect a great experience on every time. They took a melting pot of all the simple things in this industry that work well and are to the traders' advantage, and they suppressed the fine print and complex programs that in reality are staked against the trader. So they will always be going for simplicity and trader freedom. So this will be very amazing for you if you join their project. So guys, this is their homepage. When we scroll down here, you find out the link about their Discord. You can join their Discord link if you want to get updated on time, if you want to chat with their admins and chat with their team members. So it's very necessary for you to join their social medias. So we will discuss discuss their project from social media. So this is they are also offering their free giveaway. So be quick and sign up for your their free giveaway before their seats run out. So guys, these are very simple three steps. So number one is about their challenge. The first step is the evaluation process. View the trading objectives below to see what skills and disciplines you have to master first. So number two step is verification. So this is very common. The second step in there is verification. So once you pass the first stage, you will automatically be upgraded to the funded account. And number three is SMARTPROP Trader. You can continue to trade responsible and consistently, and you will qualify for an 80% profit split. So guys, you can also check their trading objects. So these are their trading objects, these are their challenges. So 40 days are for your challenges. So if you are in their trading period, then you have 40 days for your challenge and 80 days for verification and trader. Step 3 is identification. So they fix their daily loss and daily maximum loss, and maximum loss all the time, and their profit target and refundable fee. So if you are in their challenge mode, so here you can see that your maximum daily loss will be $500. So you can't be exceed from 500 if you are losing your money from trading. So this is very amazing steps from their project. So it will be limited loss. So your their profit target is $100 in their challenge, and $500 for verification, and in the refund their refundable fee is $180 in challenge mode, and this is free for verification. So guys, now when we scroll down here, we find out there everything in one place. So you can find this is fair evaluation, this have all trading styles, this have all trading instruments, forex, crypto. You can use your forex, you can use your crypto, you can find out indices and commodities here. So when we scroll down here, we find out the key highlights. So the number one key highlight is swing account. So firstly, if you choose the SMARTPROP Trader account that perfectly suits your trading style and needs, SMARTPROP Trader account swing has no restrictions on holding positions over the weekend or trading during macroeconomic releases. So their number two is scaling plan. So their goal is they have long-term goals and long-term business relationship. So if you manage to be consistent and profitable, so they will increase the balance of your SMARTPROP Trader account by 25% every 4 months according to the scaling plan. So they also have a offer for free trial. If you want to make a trial, then you can use this free trial. So you can also get information about their payout system. So they have an 80% share, is not where we draw the line. They draw the line. If you meet the condition of their scaling plan, not only do they increase the balance to your SMARTPROP Trader account by 25% payout. So guys, these are the information. You can also compare their option with other projects. So number one, you can check this and compare this with FTMO. So this is comparison. You can check it. This is a very simple and this is very beneficial trading platform for you if you want to get a maximum income with your you can get this detail about their maximum drawdown, about their payout split, about their minimum trading days, evaluation, time period and targets and so on. So you can compare this with the MyForex Fund, Trading Capital, Prop Trading and Trader Central. So guys, these are the details. So you can also find out and you can also read out yourself. So now we discuss about discuss their main points, that how we can get started. So you just need to click on the get started. So you will find out this page. So this is my login page. So I registered myself. So if you are new on their platform, you just need to click on the sign up here. So this is their sign up page. So first of all, you need to write your first name, you need to write your last name, and you need to give your username, you need to give your personal Gmail or another official Gmail. So after giving this Gmail, you need to give the password. So their password should have numbers, one small capital, one small letter and one capital letter. So at least these are the some requirement that you need to have in your mind if when you are register yourself. So after giving this password, you need to confirm your password and click that I agree on the terms and conditions and etc. So after agreed their rules, so you need to click on you need to fill this captcha, I am not our bot, and just need to click on the register. Then you will be registered directly on their homepage. So I registered myself already. So now I'm going for their login page. So after going to their login page, just simple, you need to give your Gmail. Gmail and password that you mentioned on the registration page, and just click on this robot, fill this captcha, and just click on the login. Then you directly go to your profile. So this is my profile. Here you can check this. You can also adjust your light, so it's your choice what you want. So here you will find out information about their client area or about your profile. So this is configure your trader challenge. So you can use this opportunity to get the feel of our trading objectives without risking anything. So be disciplined and manage your risk carefully. There are 14 days for free trial, shortened version of the challenge, so you practice trading with them. So guys, this is a platform. Here you can start your SMARTPROP Trader challenges. So first of all, these are they provide 8 cap, and your account type, my account type is SMARTPROP Trader. You can check your billing info like your first name, Gmail, etc. So this is all detail about my account. You just need to give your country, city, address, etc, and just click on the I declare that I have read the agreement and terms and condition. Just click on the I declare that I read each and every cancellation and refund policy, and just click on the verify. So this is discount code. You can also use any discount code. Definitely I will give this code in my video description. You can use my code. So after giving this, you can also you can be a part of their trading platform, this trading platform. So now we go for so here you can see that this is their client area. Here you can find information about their free trial, about their challenges. So you can try this free trial. You can also start these challenges. So you can practice this free trial without any risk. So so they are giving this free trial for 14 days. This is for basic account feature. So you can get experience from this free trial if you want to get a maximum income from trading platform, this trading platform. So if you trade up to $200,000 on SMARTPROP Trader, so you can pass the simple evaluation and receive your funded SMARTPROP Trader account. So there is no minimum trading days. You need to deposit up to $200,000 per account and up to 90% profit split. So you can check these challenges by clicking the start challenge. So these are the challenges here. So when we scroll down, your account balance should be 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000 or $200,000. So these are the challenge you need to complete these challenges. When you complete these challenges, definitely you get amazing benefit from their trading platform. So guys, now we discuss other things about their project. So this is very simple. Here you can also download this project, this platform. You can also be a part of their trading academy that they designed for the new traders. So if you have willing to trade your crypto or other funds, so it's a very simple and amazing platform for you to get benefits. You can also get a support from their customer service center. You can also check your leaderboard here. You can also be a part of their competition. So from here you can also be a part of their competition section. So if you want to get this chance, you need to read their rules and just click on the register. So there is only 1 day and 16 hours are remaining. So from there, this competition, so if you are on there, if you get the first place prize, then you will evaluate $50,000. So their second prize is $25,000 and their third prize is $10,000. So you can get a chance to win these prizes in a very short period of time. These are totally free, guys. So you can also check their rules, and so these are the rules. So they are their prizes detail, and these are rules. So no max lot price size limit. Their ARs are allowed. So in their 100 leverage, and the daily loss and total loss are calculated and same as a challenge funded account. Please see fact section. So you can get the answer of their frequently asked question from their fact section. So after seeing these rules, you just need to click on the register and register yourself. You can register yourself in their upcoming here you can see that I have successfully registered myself in their competition. So you can also get your referral link. So you just need to fill this form. So when then you will be affiliated, you just need to give your name, give your email, where you plan on promoting, what is your country name, website URL, best social platform, media platform, and what is your monthly average website traffic, and your social media link that you are handling and that you are using for their promotion. So you will get this affiliation program and you can get amazing benefits. So guys, simple. If you want to get updated and if you want to get more information and if you want to get amazing benefits, then it's a very simple way that you need to join their social medias like Discord, where you can directly chat with them if you have any issue and if you want to get more benefits. So you need to join their social medias like Twitter, Telegram, or Discord. So you can find out their Discord link here. You can also find out this in my video description. So this is simple review that how we can use their platform, how there are only 3 simple steps. Number 1 is to complete their challenges, number 2 is verification, and number 3 is SMARTPROP Trader. You can also join their November challenge competition and you can get a chance to win 50,000 up to $50,000. So guys, thank you very much for seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.